Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about the Tesla tax credit that's available, or the tax credit that's available for anyone buying a electric car in 2023. This is for U.S. customers that are filing a federal tax return that get a tax credit up to $7,500 off of an electric vehicle. Now, today's February 3rd, 2023. There were some changes prior to this, and that was that the Tesla Model Y wasn't considered an SUV, only the 7-seat version. So the 7-seat version was eligible if it was priced under $80,000. The 5-seat version was only eligible if it was under $55,000. Therefore, the performance version was not, and the long range, if it had like too many options, wasn't available for the tax credit. So that was kind of a big hindrance to the Tesla and this tax credit. So recent change just enabled that the Tesla Model Y 5-seater is now considered an SUV under the Inflation Reduction Act tax credit availability. Therefore, the price can be up to $80,000 and get the tax credit. One thing about that $80,000 to make note of is that it doesn't include the software upgrades. So if you're on the Tesla website and you go down, you scroll into, you see that the enhanced autopilot is a $6,000 option, or the full self-driving option is a $15,000 option. Those options don't count towards the price of the vehicle as far as the configuration for the tax credit is concerned. So you can get a performance Model Y, which Tesla recently lowered the price of the performance Model Y to $56,400. So $56,400, you can add on, the paint color, you can add on the tow hitch. Those are really the two options, or white or black interior. And you can now you can get the full tax credit. So that's a huge benefit for Tesla and the Model Y performance, is that you can get the Model Y in any really configuration right now and get the tax credit. So that's a huge bonus. This also is going to apply to other vehicles like the Ford Mustang Mach-E and the Cadillac Lyriq, which those weren't considered SUVs under the previous definition. Now they are. So those can be up to $80,000. If they're less than that, you can get the federal tax credit of $7,500. So that's really going to help boost Tesla's sales, because now all configurations of the Tesla Model Y is going to be considered for the tax credit. All configurations of the Model 3 are going to be under $55,000, and you can get the $7,500 tax credit. Now, concerning the tax credit, your income does have to be within certain ranges, so not everyone's going to qualify. If you're over a certain income limit, you're not going to qualify for the tax credit, so be aware of those income limits. Now, you can use 2022 or 2023's AGI, adjusted gross income, towards those income limits, so there is some flexibility in which year you can use and how you can claim those. But be aware that if your income's above those limits, shown here, you can't qualify for the tax credit. Now, previously, back in September of 2022, I actually ordered a Tesla Model Y Performance, and I ended up canceling the order, and that was going to be $69,000 plus tax, title, license, destination fees. That was going to be probably close to $78,000. Right now, February 3rd, 2023, I can order a Performance Model Y, $56,400, the price plus a couple options. Maybe just I'd probably get the paint, the gray paint, plus the tow hitch. That's $2,000 of options, $58,000 plus the destination fees, so under $60,000, and then the tax credit on top of that. That's a huge bonus. That's going to really allow the Model Y or other similar electric vehicles to be a little more affordable when it comes to someone wanting to purchase them. I would say I'm saving over not only $13,000 from the price drop from last year to this year, but also another $7,500. It's almost a potential $20,000 savings from like third quarter last year till first quarter February of 2023. That's a huge difference in price. Anyways, guys, I'm going to leave a link to the article referenced in this video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave your comments and thoughts down below. Let me know if this is an enticing amount for you to jump into a Model Y, or if you're still going to wait and hold out for more incentives. It will be interesting to see if prices go up, if Tesla tries raising the prices on the Model Y, because now it can be a higher price. Before, they had to try to keep it under $55,000 so you get the tax credit. Now it can get up to $80,000. So it wouldn't surprise me if Tesla starts raising the price, starts creeping up a little bit. So if you're looking at one, I would put an order in, because it's only $250 to place the order. It is non-refundable, but if the price does go down in the future, you can just cancel the order. You lose your $250, but if your saving is more than $250, and that's not a bad idea, and you could probably get it within the next month or two. Anyways, guys, well, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.